Do you get confused with verbs that depend on perspective? These are called deictic verbs, verbs based on where the speaker is. Go means movement away from you. Come means movement towards you. Bring is towards the speaker. Take is away from the speaker. With borrow, you receive something. With lend, you give something. Arrive means you reach a place. Leave means you go from a place. All these verbs depend on direction or perspective, where you are and where things are moving. Follow for more quick grammar explanations.